Hey guys, I'm gonna review my mobile command post and my unmarked and my two unmarked trucks. So here we have is the unmarked SUV. We have its two lights in the front, and then we have two lights in the back. And I just took the truck from like the Lego set. Then I added some changes to it. And then we have the unmarked pickup truck. It has two lights in the back and a light bar in the back. Wait, two lights right here. The two lights right here. Then here is another light in the back and a light on the top. This is what normally pulls the command post. And here we have is the command post. This is really not that much. It's just a little trailer that has a little workspace in it. It has a little command center, and then it has like a tiny jail cell, which I felt only two prisoners inside. Oh, and then that popped off. And then here we have is Sheriff number 1. And this is the sheriff. This is the sheriff chief. It has the cargo pants on, and then it has the mountain police shirt on. Here we have is sheriff number 1 with the tan pants and the police and like the Lego City police motorcycle gear. And then they have like a sheriff 2. This is the K9 unit. And then here is and here we have is the secret agent right here. He rarely comes to places. And here we have is all my officers right here. And I hope you like